D, C, D, and F, I. I'm going to show you these chords here in D flat. All right, it's good to play. You know, you can play it while somebody's praying. Just as filler chords, you know. Alright, so I'll give you the basic chords to it. Alright, so we're starting in D flat. First chord, we're going to play a D flat major chord. Alright, so our D flat scale. D flat is our 1, E flat is 2, F is 3, G flat is 4, A flat is 5, B flat is 6, C is 7, back to D flat. Alright? So we're going to start off on a 1 chord, D flat major. Alright, D flat, left hand, right hand, D flat. Playing the adding the 9 to E flat, or the sus2, F, and A flat. So D flat major, adding the E flat. Alright, coming off the E flat to hit the E, the F, E flat to hit the F. Alright, then I'm going to playing a E flat major over G. Left hand, G and D. Right hand, G, B flat, E flat. Alright, you usually don't play that chord in D flat, alright? But I'm using it as a passing chord to get to my 5, A flat. Left hand, A flat, E flat. Right hand, A flat, B flat, C, E flat. Same concept, I'm coming off the B flat to hit the C. So, alright, then I'm going to go to my 3, my F, but I'm going to play a D flat over F. So basically I'm playing a 1 chord inverted. So left hand I got F, right hand I'm playing F, A flat, D flat. Alright, and that's going to take me to my 4 chord, G flat major. Left hand, G flat, D flat, right hand, G flat, B flat, D flat, but again I'm coming off the A flat to hit the B flat. So D flat, E flat over G, A flat, D flat over F, alright, to my G flat. And then I'm gonna get to my 2, 5, back to my 1. Alright, so for that 2, several ways you can do it. The simple way, E flat, F, G flat. And then when I hit the G flat, I'm gonna play the E flat on the left hand. And then I'm gonna kind of land these notes here. E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat. So the left hand is playing the E flat, right hand is playing G flat, A flat, B flat, and D flat. Alright, so we got how we gonna do it? A flat, E flat on my left hand, right hand, G flat, A flat, C, E flat. Or you can play the G flat, A flat, D flat, and then go to the C. Like that. So that's what I would do while playing the A flat, E flat 2 times. So sorry. Like that. Back to my D flat. And then you can bring it up. And you can add some melody to it as well. So you got just kind of play with it. You know, you can use it when you want to. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.